Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We want to solve these nice radical equations coupled with algebraic equations where we have x squared minus 1 equals the square root of x plus 1. I want to find all the solutions that satisfy this. So given this kind of a problem, so we are going to take the square of both sides, as we have this as x to the power of 2 minus 1 raised to the power of 2 equals the square root of x plus 1 all raised to the power of 2. So we have this and we are going to cancel square and square root. Then we have x squared minus 1 to the power of 2. So suppose I rewrite this as it is as x squared minus 1 square, then all raised to the power of 2 equals x plus 1. Then we have to recall from difference of 2 square, as when we have a square minus b square, this is given as a plus b open bracket a minus b. So we consider this as difference of 2 square. Then if we try to rewrite this as x square minus 1 square as x plus 1 open bracket x minus 1, then all this in a general square. Then for this x plus 1, let's try to take it here. So we take it here, it becomes minus x plus 1. Then everything equals 0. And next we have, by property of indices, let's say we have ab raised to the power of n. It is considered to be a raised to the power n, b raised to the power of n. Then we apply it, that is x plus 1 we raise to the power of 2 and x minus 1 we also raise to the power of 2 as it requires. So here is x plus 1 raised to the power 2 open bracket x minus 1 raised to the power of 2, then minus open bracket x plus 1 equals 0. And next we have, so we have x plus 1 which is twice and x plus 1 which is once. Then we factor it out as we have x plus 1 taken out. Then when we divide this one by x plus 1, we are left with x plus 1 in bracket open bracket x minus 1 raised to the power 2. Then also with this one, we are left with minus 1. Then everything equals 0. So we have this expression. It means that we are going to let x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, s equals to minus 1. And which is the first solutions. And also, those in the parentheses, which is x plus 1 in bracket open bracket x minus 1 square minus 1 equals 0. Suppose we try to expand this one. So here is x plus 1 open bracket. So the expansion of this one gives us x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then let's expand this together. X multiplied by x squared, we get x cubed, minus x multiplied by minus 2x, that is minus 2x squared. Then x multiplied by 1, we get plus 1. And also we use 1 to multiply this. So since this is 1 and it comes with plus, then we get all this result again. So let's try to rewrite this as plus x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then this minus 1 here, we write it as minus 1 equals 0. And next we have x raised to the power 3, which is x cubed. Then here is minus 2x squared, and here is plus x squared. We have it as minus x squared. Then we have this as minus 2x. So we have to write down minus 2x. Then at somewhere here, here is x multiplied by 1. We get this as x. So my plus x minus 2x, that gives us minus x. And also plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. So when it cancelled, then everything equals 0. So having this result, we are going to factor out x. So by factoring out x, we divide this one by x, then we get x squared minus, also with this one, we get x. Then with this one, it remains 1. Everything equals 0. And also for the second time, we are going to let x equals 0, which is another solution to this. But when we try to check for this one will not satisfy the equation, so it is rejected. Then we'll proceed with solving this quadratic equation, which is x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. So by trying to solve this, we are going to apply quadratic equation. So solving this one, by plug it in this formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So coefficient of x squared here is our a, which is 1. B is coefficient of x, which is minus 1, and c is minus 1, which is constant value. So by plugging everything in this, we are going to have x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of, so the whole of this one becomes 5. Then divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So which is the value of a. Then we have x equals 1. Since we have plus or minus, we are going to have x equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Or we also have x equals 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So which is x3 and x4. So for this one, we get it as our x2. And we have this as our x1. Now, there are 4 solutions to this problem. And which of these satisfy? So those that satisfy this problem is, we have x equals minus 1 satisfy the problem. And similarly, x equals to 0 does not satisfy. Again, the last 2 here, which is x equals 1 plus root 5 also satisfied. Then this one did not satisfy the problem. So you can text for that and comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do to like, share, and subscribe, as it helps me a lot. I will see you in the next class. If you have any other questions, you can drop it, or any other method you can use to solve this problem. I would dearly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.